and they sometimes lose their gas that's inside them, and then the gas can't expand due to the heat, and the sensor doesn't work. Or you'd put it into the oil and it gives a false reading, which can be quite... Oh, that one was very easily to take apart.
Let's go make something.
Plastic, and again you can just put that on there. So there's some nice steampunky bits and pieces. I've got a couple of those now, and I've got this full one including the sensor. I was able to get that one out, including the sensor, which I'm thinking I might put on my gauntlets, an old mask. So yeah, I was thinking I could also attach bits and pieces just to change the shape. I've got an old battery cover just to change the shape of it somehow. But the first things first is we'll take the filters off, and they're just... they're going to be fun putting back in, let's put it that way. And I'm hoping that is the same. Turn them to that. See how they are attached. I'm not 100% sure how they are attached. I'm just cleaning it. Now the cleaner I'm using will slowly just eat the surface of the rubber a little bit, so when it comes to paint it has something to stick to. So it's now kind of tacky. I'm not using very much of it either. Now I want to get rid of where it says protect the safety. And all I'm going to do there is, because I'm painting it and I want the final mask to look like that I've been wearing this thing for years upon years of use and abuse. That was just to sand off the wording. Just get a debird tool and just go around it. Which I now have to sand these. So again, I'm wanting that dirty look. And I know that this will take a few coats to get right. So this is going to be like a mechanical looking filter. All I'm going to do is cut that. Cut down there. And cut across that. Start folding them in like so. Now what I've done, I've painted the brown, and you can still see patches of black, which I don't mind. I've painted it that brown, and then I've put a copper, just a quick squirt every now and again, so you can see that it looks grungy. So now, if I get a marker pen, you can cut around it. By the way, don't use your wife's sewing scissors. She'll scream at you. Just look at that. It's on the side of a mask. Now the hard part is drawing that. What I'm going to do, I don't know if this will actually work. I'm just being rubber, it's just going to I'm not worried about the paint coming off because it's all been hidden. So this bit here is just off another mask, another style of mask that requires a wee bit of padding around it. So what I'm going to do is boil the jug and play mad scientist. Some coffee beans. Grunge that up a little bit. It's not so clean. Yet it is safe because it's coffee. And I'll have the smell of coffee. Really dark down here because that's where the air intake is, so it's kind of sucking air through this way. Coffee. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.